Encasing fun objects is another way to create cool contrast in an easy way. In less than 10 minutes, you can create some impactful nail art. This nail has already been coated with 2 coats of Pink Pursuit in C&D Shellac Luxe color coats. Each layer has been cured for 1 minute. Now we'll apply C&D Shellac Luxe top coat. We don't want to cure this just yet, because now we're going to apply small squares of confetti. It may look as simple as just placing them on the nail, but composition is important, and so is color matching. So we'll take these and sort of strategically place them around the nail. If you've ever used a color wheel, something to remember when you're using lots of bright colors is to use the color wheel as your guide. If you've got one color on one side of the color wheel, find something on the opposite side of the color wheel to place next to it. It creates immediate contrast and makes it more impactful on the nail. It could be as simple as placing a pink or a peach next to a purple or a blue. This look is meant to be more pixelated than checkerboard, so we don't want to necessarily match it all the way down. Once we have them placed, we'll place them in the C&D UV lamp for 1 minute on button 2S. To finish this nail and to fully encase our confetti, we'll apply 1 layer of C&D Shellac Duraforce. C&D Shellac Duraforce is just a little bit heavier and great for encasing pieces of mylar, little bits of confetti, anything that could stick up and cause texture on the nail. Make sure you squeegee off any excess to keep your application thin. Place the finished nail in the C&D LED lamp, pressing button 3 for 1 minute. After the cure is complete, we'll remove the tacky top film with 99% isopropyl alcohol on a lid-free wipe. Super simple, done in less than 10 minutes. Your clients will be thrilled and you'll make a little extra money.